So what's up, guys? So we're back again at Audi with a 2017 Q5. So we're getting ready to do some engine mounts at this time on the Q5. You see that behind me? So the Q5 is up on the lift already. I already got the tires off on the tray. I got the engine already lift up a little bit. So for this one, we have to remove the wheels. Gotta remove this side panel here, and then there's three bolts. There's three bolts. One here, one here. The other one is in here, which is a triple square, and these are 16s. So as you can see, I already removed these two and the triple square. So we're getting ready to remove these two for the bracket, and then we get ready to remove the engine mount. So here we got the engine mounts together. We got the old one, got the new one. This one is kind of collapsed on the inside, as you can see there. So that's the new one. Going back in here. All right, so we got the mount in. You got to move it around to get it in place. I got the two bolts here that's holding it in, the two 16, and then now we're getting ready to put these two little small triple square bolts in here. So like always, I'm holding my phone and recording at this same time, which is very difficult. So I just hand tighten everything for now. It's time to get the passenger side loose, which this is where the turbo is at. So we got to move the inlet hose here, and then a couple of these cables have to get removed. These bolts are already loosened them up already. The 16 is already loosened. The triple square back here is already loosened. So yeah, I can't really hold the phone and do it at the same time. So we just gotta unclip the harness here. Then we're gonna have to probably just what's this bolted up to? It's bolted something. Nope. Gotta see how to remove this right here, so we can have room to get the engine mount out. Alright, so I got the bracket out. That was right here. So now we gotta see how to get the bolts out of the. Got the bolts out. We're gonna replace this with new ones. So the engine mount is here. Just gotta try to get it out from these cables. So I can't do it with the one hand. There it is, all out. It's time to get the new one in. Now to the other side. that should be good there. All their harnesses plugged back in. But now just gotta connect this side. Alright, so I got everything all done. Undercovers back together. Wheel liners back on. All the bolts is tightened down, torqued down. Passenger side as well. So time to put the wheels on and take it for the test drive.